Hello friends, welcome to DP Studio. Today I'm going to unbox my new audio interface. The audio interface is Behringer UMC1820. Let's unbox it. This interface have 18 audio inputs and 20 audio outputs. In this interface, it have inbuilt 8 input slots and 10 output slots. This is rack mount audio interface I have purchased from the store. Its price range 35,000 Indian rupees. In the box, at first we see a document book and the interface. One 12-volt power adapter and an USB cable. Very nice build quality. It have metal body. In the front, the interface have 2 mic or line input. The interface have MIDAS preamp and line instrument and pad button. There are main knob and separated pair headphone knobs. Main output knob have mute and dim switch. In the back of the interface have 6 input slots and 10 output slots. The main outputs have 2 L and R and 8 line outputs. Also you can get PDIF pair output and input, and also you can get ADAT inputs and outputs. Very nice looking interface and its recording quality awesome. If you like this video, please like and comment down below. Subscribe my channel for watching more software solutions and instrument review and unboxing. Thank you.